Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to make desktop shortcuts for your quick receipt software databases on Windows. This handy feature lets you manage multiple companies more effectively by giving you direct access to each database right from your desktop. Let's begin by creating a shortcut for a new database. Enter the desired name for your database and choose where you'd like to save the database folder. Find the Create Desktop Shortcut option and simply tick the box. After saving the database, a shortcut icon will automatically appear on your desktop, saving you valuable time when switching between databases. If you already have databases and want a shortcut for one, it's a breeze. Just navigate to the database you wish to modify. You'll also find the Create Desktop Shortcut button there. The desktop shortcut will use the Quick Receipt software icon, but it will be labeled with the name of the database. This makes it simple to see which database you're opening, so you can quickly select the correct one. A major benefit of this feature is the ability to open multiple databases at the same time. This can be especially helpful if you're handling several companies concurrently. And that concludes our tutorial. Creating desktop shortcuts for your quick receipt software databases is a straightforward yet effective way to optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching.